Hello, it's Tom Batman Ziegelbauer. Hey, I've got a quick tip for you here today. So I was thinking about this in chatting with one of my colleagues here today. Integrity is doing what you said you were going to do and following through on that when no one is watching what you're doing. A way to accomplish this, make your activity super transparent. And one of the ways that I do that, I have a little time tracking app that is on my computer. See if I can show you that. So today it says working 10 hours and 27 minutes. So far I've been up since about 4 o'clock this morning working on things. It tracks everything I do. Everywhere I go, every app that I have open, every website that I'm on, everything that I'm doing, it keeps me accountable for the things that I'm doing. Do I want people to catch me on Facebook? No, unless it's something that I'm doing. It prevents me mentally from going and doing non-income producing activities all day long because I know that thing is tracking me, and I don't want to spend any time on non-income producing activities. So hopefully this tip helps you. If you did receive value from this, definitely hit all of those buttons down at the bottom. And remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.